A very good day to everyone who is watching this video. Myself Shashwat Handa, and today I am going to talk about a very great discovery in the field of chemistry. I will talk about the periodic table of Dmitri Ivanovich Mendeleev, the great Russian chemist and professor, the chemistry genius of that age. So you might remember this guy from chemistry textbooks of your classroom. So why is he being referred as to a genius? You'll see it in a moment. So what was his genius? Was it a list of elements? No. That claim already goes to Antoine Lavoisier, who made this list long ago before Dmitri. So was his genius arranging the elements in a particular order based on some common characteristics between them? No. Taubenier and Newlands had already done that. So what was his genius? For that, we need to take a look at his periodic table. If you look at his table closely, you will see that below the element aluminium, which is in the third period and the third group, you will see there is a blank with the number 68. This blank, this dash is his genius. This dash is science. He named it Eka Aluminium because it was just one place below aluminium. And just because it has not been discovered yet, do we don't know its properties? You might be thinking, yes, wrong. Mendeleev predicted them long before it was discovered. Atomic weight, 68 atomic mass unit. That is, it is 68 times heavier than the lightest element, hydrogen. The state at room temperature, solid. It's a malleable metal. It can be flattened into sheets. It's ductile. It can be woven into wires. It has a very low melting point. Keeping it on your hand would melt it. And its density is 6 grams per centimeter cube. Now, a few years later, precisely 4 or 5 years later, some French guy discovers gallium, which is astoundingly almost same as Eka aluminum, and it gains that spot. It has an atomic weight around 69.5. It is solid at room temperature. It is malleable. It is ductile. It has a freakish low temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, low melting point. Keeping it in your hand, on your mouth, whatsoever will melt it. And it is a density very close to 6, 5.9 grams per centimeter cube. So was this all Mendeleev did? No. He found loads of such elements. He predicted loads of such elements correctly. There are others as well. For example, Eka boron, which is today known as scandium, just one place below boron in his table. Eka silicon, germanium, the very next element to Eka aluminium or gallium. We have Eka manganese, technetium, and also we have manganese. 2 places below manganese, we have rhenium. This was his particular genius. Now, our hero of this tale, Dmitri Mendeleev, died in 1907 without a Nobel Prize to his name. But he got a thing much greater than just a Nobel Prize. The element Mendeleevium, element number 101, was named after him. There have been around 800 Nobel laureates in the history of this earth, but there are only 15 scientists after whom elements have been named. Marie Curie, Glenn Seaborg, Rutherford, and Mendeleev being a few of them. I hope you liked this presentation of mine. Thank you very much for giving your precious time to this video. Please hit that like button. Please do subscribe if you think it's worthy of doing my channel. And please hit that bell icon to not miss any notifications. And finally, I would ask you to share it with your friends and ask them to do the same. Thank you very much. Now, I'll take my leave. May you have a very good day ahead.